Today we're uncovering secrets about Pewdiepie. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Y'all, today we're uncovering things about Pewdiepie that you may not have known. Y'all, Pewdiepie has been around for a few years now, and he is like the #1 YouTuber. So, when I first ran across Pewdiepie a few years back, I really didn't care for him. He was young, wild, obnoxious. I didn't care for him at all. But over the years, I have grown to really respect him and like him, and I watch his videos quite often. If y'all had never seen Pewdiepie, please go check him out. But I don't know who hasn't seen him. He's all over the place. Like I said, he is the biggest YouTuber out there. Okay, some of the things I want to tell you right now is stuff that Pewdiepie believes himself. It's quotes from Pewdiepie. And then after that, I'm going to get into his stats, how much he makes. Y'all don't want to miss this. You're going to be blown away. Okay, one of the quotes that he makes is, "Follow your heart." Someone asked him, what does he suggest for them to make a YouTube channel about? He said, follow your heart. Do what you're passionate about. And don't just do it for the money. It's easy for him to say. He's a multimillionaire. But what he is saying is very true. Don't do it for the money. You will burn out and you will grow not to enjoy it. Make sure you're passionate about it and you can talk about it all the time. Because when you start a channel, you will be talking about it all the time. He also said, money don't make me happy. He says he's just as happy now as when he was when he had nothing and working in a hot dog stand. Y'all, this man had nothing. He was working, putting hot dogs together from a hot dog cart. He was sleeping on the couch. Nothing at all. This is during the time when he was going to college. Okay, he turned his life around. He started making videos. He struggled for a little bit to get the video started, but once he got it started, he went crazy. So no, you don't need money to be happy. He was just as happy now as a multimillionaire as he was making hot dogs out of hot dog cart. He also says, be positive. Everything happens for a reason. When you're having bad times, just work through it at all costs. Just work through it. When you get to the other side, everything will be better. He's right. I know. Another thing he says, right now he's a multimillionaire. He could pay to get anything in the world done that he wants. But he says, do it yourself. With the money he makes, he could hire everything out, but he insists on doing it all himself. He does his own shooting of videos. He does his own editing of his videos. He does his own posting. He does it all. He's a one-man show. The man is very talented. Okay, let's get into Pewdiepie's stats. Okay, videos. Now this is just one channel I'm talking about. I think he's got several. I'm not sure on that. When I was looking them up, I seen some with his name, but I can't say for sure they was really his. Videos on this channel. He's got 4,208 videos. Subscribers, he has 107 million subscribers. And I'm wanting my 100,000 so I can get that silver play button. He's got a few buttons. Now remember also, when you get to 1 million subscribers, you get a gold play button, and it's half again bigger than the silver play button, and it's gold. He's got 107 million subscribers. Views on his channel. Y'all ready for this? 26,112,464,616 views on his channel. That's a mouthful. What type of channel does he have? It's a gaming channel. Now, everything that he does on his channel is not gaming. When he first started, yeah, it was all gaming and he was talking behind the game. But when you grow a channel this big, you can put anything you want to on your channel. You don't have to stick to a niche. He started this channel April 29th of 2010. His channel is 10 years old and he is a multi-millionaire. Each video gets between $2,000 and $30,000. Most videos gets around $10,000. Each video gets around 26 million views. He uploads a new video almost every day. Can you imagine making that kind of money every day? Daily averages in dollars. Daily, $28,000. Weekly average, $199,000. For the last 30 days, $856,000. His CPM, which is how much you get paid per 1,000 views, is around $4 per 1,000. That adds up to be a lot of money, y'all. Y'all, the man is a multi-millionaire. Multi-millionaire. He's living way below his means. When you look at him, he's got old raggedy t-shirts on. His hair most of the time is not combed. And the background is not a pretty office. It's not a pretty house. It's just normal stuff. He's way below his means. And I have a question about that. A lot of people says you need to live below your means. Why? You work hard for that money. Enjoy it while you're here. Tomorrow is not promised. If you don't enjoy your money now, somebody's going to be fighting over it when you're gone. And they're not going to enjoy it either because they're going to be fighting. So enjoy your money. Don't live below your means. Live at your means. Y'all, I'm telling you all of this. I'm breaking these YouTubers down just to maybe inspire somebody to try to do what they're doing. I'm trying it. I hope I get there one day. Will I? The odds are not. But if I get a partial way there, I will be very happy. Y'all, in this life, whatever you look for, whatever you want, you will find if you search and work hard enough. So if you want this kind of money, if you want this kind of fame and fortune, you're going to have to work hard for it. It didn't come easy for him. He was going to school and making videos and trying to work at a hot dog stand all at the same time. That's not an easy life, but he made it happen. He didn't use excuses, and he was having fun doing it. He said he was just as happy doing that as he is now, and he's a multi-millionaire. Could be a billionaire, I'm not sure. Y'all, if you don't try, you only have yourself to blame. These uncovering videos is not really to uncover what they're doing. It's not really to cast shame on them, because there is no shame. It's to inspire someone to do what they're doing. Y'all, if you still want in my mastery course, you can still get in. I have more people there now than I thought I would ever have, and they seem to be enjoying it. So if y'all want in, the link is in the bottom down there. A lot of people charge $1,000 for a course like this. That's ridiculous. I'm charging $35. Y'all get in. There's a lot of freebies in it. So check it out. It might be something you want to do. Also, my stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. I got new shipments in, and you can order those again now. Y'all, I did get a hold of the winner of the last money giveaway contest, and I will be sending her money. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that's popping up here. Leave me your thumbs up and your comments. And just know, I love you all. Ciao.